Well, hey, good morning. Actually, it's good afternoon. I woke up early and was reading on, I think it was Facebook, and they shot up the power. What do you call them? Where the power's resource from? They shot the power. I don't know what it's called. I'm calling it power tower, but it ain't a tower. It's a little area. Like transformers, but the big thing. Anyway, they shot those up last night. So half of the county that I live in, a majority of the county I live in, is without power. So immediately, I check on my youngins and my husband, and I just couldn't believe it. I was like, what in the world is these people? What is going on? I just don't get it. Where is the love? Can we not just be nice and kind and love each other? Child of mercy. And the thing about it is who's got to pay for it? We do. Our power bill's going to go up because we have to replace all those transformers or those big cylinder things, whatever they're called. Anyway, enough about that. So I've been trying to learn more on YouTube over the past couple of days because I'm not working so many days in a row now. And so I've been trying to learn, and everybody's like, well, find your niche. Find what you can, home down on. And I'm like, I don't even know who I am yet. I'm still growing up. I mean, I'm only 14 and a half. So I got to grow up first before I find out who I want to be. I mean, I just don't understand. 14 and a half. I mean, I'm still growing, right? Aren't we all still growing and learning every day? So my YouTube channel is still going to stay Cooking with April and More. And we're gonna embrace the cooking part as much as we possibly can. And let me tell you, we're really going to embrace that and more part, because I like to be nosy, and I like to go travel and find things out and do things. And I may not be able to tell you all about it, but by George, if I enjoy it, y'all gonna get to enjoy it with me. So, guess what? I got something. I got these things. These little. Have y'all seen them advertised? These little lip balms. They're the honey things. Let me open it. Look at this. This is what you put on your lips with. It's so cute. It comes with two. It comes with a pink one. Let me see if I find the other one. Yeah, and this one. And they're just adorable. So you get the little, it comes in a little container, okay? And you get this little thing right here. And then you unscrew it. And then your lip balm's in here. Aren't these, and it smells pretty near good. So, yeah, I'm like, I like these. Yeah, pretty near neat. But I have to go to Costco and get my glasses. So I can get drunk with those too, until I get used to the, the bottom pieces. But when I look straight, it's okay. So when I look to the, down and far out, because I can't see far out until I look down. But if I'm looking up close, and it makes me sick. I don't know. I don't make any sense. I never make any sense. But anyway, happy Vlogmas Day. Day number 5. Are we at 5 or 4? 4. Gosh, let's see. What's today? December 4th? Yeah, we're on day 4. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for telling me that. I greatly appreciate it. So let's go to Costco. I'll see you there. Whew. That place is crowded and it's windy outside. But I'm headed back, and I'm going to end this Merry Christmas Vlogmas Day 4 right here. Hooked on phonics work for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'm shooting for 1 million of them suckers, and ain't got 1 million yet, by George. Anyway, maybe I should try the reverse psychology. If you like this video, give it a thumbs down. I need 1 million of them. No. Just picking. Anyway, I'm headed home. I am going to make some jalapeno cornbread, and I may make some potato soup. I'm not too terribly sure yet. I don't know. But I am going to record the jalapeno cornbread just because it's quick, simple, and easy, and it's, something easy to post. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!